Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch 5 to your Samsung phone. First, make sure both devices have at least 50% battery life. Next, download the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store on your phone. Once installed, power on your Samsung Watch 5 by pressing and holding the Home button until the Samsung logo appears. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful pairing process. Now, open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone and tap the Start button. Your phone will begin searching for nearby devices. When your Watch 5 appears in the list, select it. A 6-digit pairing code will then be displayed on both your phone and your watch. Carefully verify that these codes match before proceeding to the next step. After confirming the pairing code, you'll be prompted to review and accept the terms and conditions on your phone. It's important to read these carefully. Next, you may need to sign into your Samsung account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Finally, grant the necessary permissions for the Samsung Wearable app to access features like notifications and health data, ensuring full functionality of your new device. With your Watch 5 now connected, you can begin customizing it to your preferences. Dive into the Wearable app to explore a vast selection of watch faces, download new applications, and adjust various settings. Set up your health tracking features, such as continuous heart rate monitoring and daily step goals. You'll also learn how to receive notifications and even make calls directly from your wrist, enhancing your daily convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.